Welcome to your wonderful Wednesday shave of the day. Hey, Eric here with Adventures in Wet Shaving, and welcome back. It's good to see you. If you're interested in learning how to straight razor shave and all things straight razor related, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Then click on the bell next to it to be notified when I upload videos. That way you won't miss a thing. My one word is heart, and I put my heart into everything I do. And I believe every time you shave with a straight razor, you're going to get a better shave. In this shave, I'm using my CV Heljestrand. This is from Sweden. This is an MK2. That is a 4/8 blade. And look at that, full hollow. Yep, very nice. Yep. And for our soap tonight, here we go. This is the Atomic Age Bay Rum. And now this is just marvelous. It is got a fantastic scent and menthol. It's still hot here. Yep. And I have had that blooming. Now this is another cold water shave. So everything's with cold water today. All right. Now get that bloom water on. Yeah, I did prep the beard in the shower, washed it off really good, let the soap suds soak on those whiskers so the lye could neutralize the oil in those hair follicles, and I am ready. I am for my brush tonight. Let's get some of that water out of there. All right, here we go. The King brush. Oh yeah. This is the Adventures in Wet Shaving King brush. That is a 24mm Premium Boar knot. Keep in mind, King brush can put any kind of knot in there you want and go with any kind of color as well. Yep. Now let's get that loaded up. Oh yeah. All right, so we made it to the midweek shave. Yeah, the wonderful Wednesday shave of the day, hump day. And hopefully you are having a good week and you're in high spirits. Yeah. Yeah, the weekend's right around the corner. I'm looking forward to that. Yeah, how about you? You looking forward to the weekend? I am ready. Yes, I am. So, we're going to get this loaded up, get this show on the road. Yep. And I think we are there. Listen to that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Nice. Nice and pasty. Now, I didn't get much around the outside at all, so we're just going to clean up around the inside, just like that. And I'm going to put most of that right on the brush. The rest is going on the face. Kind of liberally put that wherever we can, and it's fine. Yep. Now, let's get our lather on. Oh yeah. Yeah, buddy. A nice load on this. Fantastic scent on this as well. Really is. This is a very cool bay rum, and it has menthol. I'm liking that. All right, let's go ahead, get some water on that, get this kicked up. Oh, and that cold water feels good as well. Go ahead and get her going. Oh yeah, nice, 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 nice. Yeah, making a good lather is part of the ritual. Yeah. And really, straight razor shaving it's all about ritual. It is, because you need to have all these steps and you will get a fantastic shave. And I've got more coming for the Straight Razor Edge Friday special on that as well. Plus, I also have a announcement that is probably going to come out on a Straight Razor Edge Friday special. And it's pretty cool if you want to support the channel. Yeah, it is. So that will be coming shortly as well. I'm going to just kind of get that handle a little bit cleaned off. Got a little bit of soap going on there. Yep. So now this is pass one. And for me, primarily, that's going to be with the grain. Let's do this. Oh yeah, very nice. Yep. Now, let me dry those hands off too. Hands have got quite a bit of water on them. There we go. And I keep getting it on my collar. Oh, that's too bad. What a waste. There we go. Nice. Really good. Yeah, this is a 4/8 blade. That is about as small as I would go, but it is a real shaver. Quite good. Yeah, this is a Swedish-made Swedish steel razor, and it was honed by Matty on a JNat, and he is in Sweden. Fantastic edge on this, by the way. There we go. Nice. There we go. Oh yeah. Yeah, this razor is doing a fine job. It really is. Now we're going to switch hands, and I'm getting this other side. Find those two little bumps. Yeah, stretching with my offhand, stretching just by the way I'm holding my face, blowing out my cheek, the way I hold my mouth, all of it. Yep. All right. Yep. Also, don't overstretch, okay? Very important. Don't overstretch. You just want to stretch tight enough to get a smooth surface. That's it. If you overstretch, you will get ingrown hairs, and that's not good at all. Yep. All right, pass one complete. Let's get that rinsed off, see how we did. Felt good? Oh yeah. Nice, 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 nice. That is working. Cheeks are good. Right where they are. Mm-hmm. Excellent. Now, man, I got soap all over. There we go. Here we go. Now, time for the half pass. Yep. So this is going to be my jawline, my neck, and I am going to get a fantastic shave. And this is just 1.5 passes. Let me encourage you to look at how many passes you really need when you shave. And don't chase the BBS. It's just not worth it. Really isn't. Oh, look at that lather. Isn't that brilliant? Yeah. Really, all you need to do is get a good shave. And I call it an SAS. So, socially acceptable shave. And that means people can tell if you shaved. And that sometimes is good enough. It really is. All right, here we go. This is pretty much, I'm going to use the modified half pass. So on each side, it's going to be across the grain. Right up through here, it's going to be against the grain. Let's do this. Yeah, nice. I gotta get that razor cleaned off. Totally against the grain there. That blade is also totally flat on my neck. There we go. Nice. Now, switching hands. There we go. And we got another shave in the books. And it felt good. It did. Let's just see how we did. Get that washed off. I think it's going to be fine. I really do. Oh yeah, fantastic. Nice shave. Yep. And no bumps were harmed in the filming of this shave video. Yep. We are still going. Alum everywhere. This is astringent and antiseptic. This will take care of any little bumps you hit, and it's going to tighten up your pores in your skin as well, which will be good after you shave. Yep. There we go. Very nice. Now, I just pat that dry. Just like that. Nice. Now, if you can't take alum straight up, go with a cold water rinse if you can get cold water. And follow that with witch hazel. I'm going to be using the Thayers Lavender Witch Hazel. This is fantastic, and it has such a great scent that, you know, something like this can really help you in good aromatherapy. Fantastic scent, really is. And I put that everywhere. I do. Yep. Now for my aftershave balm, here you go. This is the Atomic Age Bay Rum, and this is a star jelly, so it's a little different, but pretty cool. There you go. Check that out. What do you think about that? And again, great scent. Menthol. Nice cooling sensation. Soothing. Fantastic. That's just marvelous. Click up here to see my latest video. Click over here to see a video specially picked out for you. Click on this one to see from sharp to shave ready. Have a great shave and a good day, and I will see you next time on Adventures in Wet Shaving.